This episode of Inna the Kitchen is brought to you by Walker's Wood Caribbean Foods.
All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Where You Dey? Inna the Kitchen. And this week, I have something new for you guys. I'm going to be doing a curry, lobster, and crawfish. What you know about that? Inna the kitchen. All right, guys, so now we're back and we're gonna cook. We have some lobster tail right here. So as you know me already, I always have a little bit of twist of all the time when I'm doing stuff. So my lobster tail, I have him already raw. It's not cooked or anything, so I'm just gonna cut him in two. And I'm gonna take out my lobster meat. I'm gonna show you a simple and easy way to cook something totally different, because what me say, it's not every week you want the same thing. Sometimes you want something totally different and totally new. And all the time people want oxtail and curry goat, brown stew chicken. I told somebody this the other day, I said Jamaican cuisine is so simple, even though it's my national cuisine that I love, but why would you want to live in a box? You know, you can always stretch the amount of different things that you want to learn and stuff that you can do. The other day I met somebody who told me, oh, they never had crawfish before. I'm like, what are you talking about? It's not, listen man, crawfish flavor is real good, and crawfish is from Louisiana. It's one of the #1 seafood that they love in Louisiana. All right, nice, looking real good. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil over it. I'm gonna put my oil in my pot so my pot can start getting hot. Nice, looking real good. At this point, I'm gonna draw for my curry paste. I'm gonna draw for my curry paste from Walker's Wood, because as you don't know already, I'm the brand ambassador for Walker's Wood. But also, not only that, I just love using their curry paste because it makes it so easy, because not a lot of people really know how to use curry and how to work with it. Like this, you can leave this to actually marinate. Leave this to marinate overnight if you want, or if you don't have that much time, you can leave it to marinate for about an hour and you're good. Put all my flavor in, because this is gonna cook very easy and very, very quick, because of the fact it's seafood. And as you know, seafood cooks very easy. Nice. And then at this point, I'm gonna take my seafood and I'm gonna drop my seafood in. Looking real nice, not too much. Nice. Looking real good. Everything's coming along real fine. And then I'm gonna go with my spinach. You can serve this with some white rice, which is quite nice too. I'm also gonna go with my broccoli inside. Or you can just leave it with the veg inside. Just leave it with the broccoli and the spinach and just serve them just like that and you're good. Looking real good. Nice. That's how I love to cook. Food's supposed to be colorful and food's supposed to be flavorful. And this is all it is. Real simple. I'm gonna stop right now because I don't want to cook too much, because you know seafood is not something that you cook for a long period of time. So this is good, and we're gonna go right into plating and presentation. And then you can serve this with some rice. You can serve this with whatever you feel like serve it with. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Just look at that. Simple, easy, and you were there with me and you saw all the steps. So all you need is some white rice right next to this and you're good to go. Finish them off with some nice season on the top just to give it a nice little touch, and that's it. Some pepper flakes, and then I'm gonna take my lemon wedge and I'm gonna put my lemon wedge right on the side. That's it, guys. Looking real good, real simple, real easy, and you guys can definitely do this and enjoy this. So until I catch you next week in the kitchen, make sure go on, enjoy this, and make sure you tag me. Also tag Walker's Wood. Keep it locked. I'll catch you next week. So we do it.